Welcome to Essential Biz Marketing. Today we explore Hyundai's EV strategy for 2025 to 2030. Its roadmap links U.S. Metaplant expansion with global electrification targets. Let's begin with Hyundai's electrification roadmap. The company pairs EV plans with regional production to gain incentives and faster rollout. Strategy 2025 defined Hyundai as a smart mobility solution provider built on devices and services. By 2030, Hyundai targets 3.3 million electrified sales from 5.55 million total vehicles. Now let's see how Hyundai executes its U.S. strategy. Georgia's Metaplant anchors Hyundai's North American EV strategy. In 2025, Hyundai expanded U.S. plant capacity to 500,000 vehicles. By 2024, electric SUV output began, proving ramp progress in the U.S. market. These steps secure policy benefits and deliver built-in America EVs at scale. Finally, let's examine the implications of Hyundai's EV plan. The strategy shifts marketing from one-off launches to portfolio and footprint stories. It adds a narrative of innovation, job creation, and supply confidence that boosts demand. The case shows how strategy, manufacturing, and marketing combine to create access and preference. That brings us to the end of today's case. Thank you. This concludes today's session, and we look forward to exploring more topics together.